बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन. The topic of this lecture is type 2 error of the two-tailed test of continuous distribution. An important advice: be humble. If H1 involves a not equal sign, then we perform the two-tailed test. And if alpha is 5%, then this 5% is divided into equal parts. 2.5% here and 2.5% here. And this is the area of type 2 error. Remember, a type 2 error occurs when a false H0 is accepted. And here we accept H0. For the probability of type 2 error, we need critical regions, both C1 and C2. This is the probability of type 2 error. X bar lies between C1 and C2. This area. And for that we must have C1 and C2. This sketch is for both. When this sketch is for standard normal variable, then 2.5% Z value is 1.96 and the corresponding 2.5% Z value is minus 1.96 here. Now we need C1 for minus 1.96 and C2 for 1.96. You all know for critical regions we equate Z test with Z critical. So for C1 we need to write Z test, Z critical. Z critical is minus 1.96 and Z test C1 minus the value of H0 here, which is mu naught, divided by standard deviation. From this equation we can get C1. Similarly for C2, just replace C1 by C2 and replace this by positive 1.96 and the rest is same. From this equation we can get C2 and this is the probability of type 2 between C1 and C2. So this is the concept behind the two-tailed test in continuous distributions.